How to reset Android to factory settings. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. Let's get started. Now to reset the Android to factory settings, first of all launch the settings application on your device. As you do that, you'll be able to see all the settings options over here. So as you tap on the settings, simply tap on About Phone section. Here scroll down and then tap on Factory Reset over here at the bottom. So just tap on Factory Reset, and here you can see as you factory reset the Android, you'll be able to see the items that will be deleted or erased from your data. So from contacts, photos and videos, apps, accounts, backups, SD card data and other items on the device will be erased. So you just need to tap on Erase All Data and then it will reset Android to the factory settings. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.